Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be making a repurposing of leftovers. I made a ground beef rice cabbage casserole yesterday. I'll put the link of the video up here. And today I'm using some of the leftovers from that into today's soup. So I'm going to make a taco soup with the leftovers with some other already canned items I have in my pantry. This allows me to make this soup with my own canned items, but you could store buy these items in the cans. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. 2 cans of the taco beans, and there's the leftovers of the rice casserole cabbage thing. And then this pot, I just had some pumpkin that I was blending in, so I'm just going to use it. A home can of diced tomatoes. And a can of salsa, a jar of salsa. And a container of ground beef. The downside to ground beef is that it sticks to the jar, even if you pre-brown it, but not much. And then a jar of just water into all those jars. Break everything up. I'll just gently heat that up. I'm going to add some Tex-Mex seasoning. I get that from Costco. Spice. Also, I get this big, huge Old Bay seasoning at Costco for like $7.99. I used to only be able to get it when I went to the States, but now Costco has it. So, it's basically a spicy seasoning salt. It really brings out the flavors. Go. I am going to put some hot jarred salsa, as the salsa I put in was not hot salsa from a couple of years ago. So I'm going to put some of this one in, about half to 3/4 of a jar, to give it some more tomato-y taste. Tomatoey, is that word? And another quart of water, so it's more actually soupy than stew. Let's see. How's that? That's good. So now we're just going to bring it to heat up, and this will be for supper tonight with leftovers. My husband also ordered some Chinese food yesterday that we have leftovers. So we're going to have that with the taco soup. 2 different flavor profiles. My husband thinks I'm weird. But I'm like, this one's easy to make. So look, this making like 7 liters, 7 quarts. And there's a 7-liter mark down there.